If you're currently planning to build a new gaming PC or a versatile all-purpose system, make sure to stick around until the end. This processor offers a very strong overall package: power, efficiency, and modern technology, all at a truly fair price. Let's start with the most important thing right away: performance. AMD's new mid-range processor delivers a solid 6 cores and 12 threads, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday tasks. It runs at a respectable base clock of 3.9 GHz and can boost up to 5.4 GHz, so it gets seriously fast when it matters. The new Zen 5 architecture brings noticeable improvements over its predecessor, especially in single-core performance. This is particularly important for gaming, where every individual core counts. In benchmarks, it comes in about 10 to 15% faster than the previous generation, making it a worthwhile upgrade if you're running slightly older hardware. Power consumption is another highlight. With a 65-watt TDP, this processor remains energy efficient. That means less heat, less fan noise, and a quieter experience while gaming or working. Of course, it also supports all modern standards: PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast graphics cards and SSDs, along with DDR5 memory for high bandwidth. The socket is AM5, so keep in mind that if you're upgrading from an older Ryzen system, you'll need a new motherboard. One small downside: there is no cooler included in the box. That's fairly common for mid-range CPUs these days, but it's something to consider when making your purchase. In terms of price, the processor sits comfortably in the mid-range segment, and considering the overall performance, the value for money is excellent. If you're looking to build a modern, efficient system with strong gaming performance, this model is a great choice. So, if you're searching for a new heart for your PC, this processor might be exactly what you need. Check out the links in the video description below. You can often find some great deals there. So, what are the pros and cons of this processor? Pros: strong single-core performance, ideal for gaming. Energy efficient, only 65 watts. Modern technology, DDR5 and PCIe 5.0. Excellent value for the money. Cons: no cooler included. You'll need to buy one separately. Only a small improvement over the previous generation. Limited in multi-core workloads compared to high-end CPUs. If you're planning a new system and care about efficiency, modern features, and solid gaming performance, this processor is an excellent choice. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any future tech reviews.